Hello, we are back with another I Heart Revolution palette. This one is called the Hazelnut Cream. Now, I've also done the Rose Cream review as well, so I'll link that down below if that's what you're interested in. But let's review this palette. So I'm going to do a few swatches. These are the cutest little mini palettes ever, and this one is called the Hazelnut Cream. I can never get them out. So this is what the packaging looks like. How cute and adorable. I love the whole chocolate dripping kind of theme thing they've got. I just love it. So once you open the palette, you get 8 shades in here, which are very, very nude and more natural kind of. Sorry, the more neutral sides of things. The other one was a bit more pink. So I'm excited for this. So I'm going to take away the little plastic and we are going to do some swatches of these colours. Wow. Oh my. Wow. These are beautiful. These are beautiful. Wow. Sorry, but oh my gosh. Shit, I've just ruined a colour. Wow. So these are the colours right there. How stunning are they? They are so beautiful and so buttery. This colour, this like coppery colour here is just gorgeous. So I'm really, really interested in trying these out. Okay, so the first colour that I'm going to go in with is this shade here, which is this kind of beigey, natural nudie colour. And I am going to start applying that just in the crease. Wow, that is a lot more pigmented than I thought it would be. When it comes to I Heart Revolution, I just love their formulas. I always have. I don't think there's any palette that I've just not got on with. Actually, there is one, the Black Cherry palette. I just did not seem to get on with the formula, with the colours, with any of it. I just didn't seem to get on with it. But this is cute. I like this. So I think to deepen it up, I'm going to go into this more of a brownie colour here. And I'm just going to see if I can deepen it up a little bit. These colours blend super good. Love them. Oh, hello bus. I didn't know you could see the bus. Sorry. I love these formulas. They're so creamy and buttery. I just love it. And if you wanted just like an everyday look, these shades would just be perfect for just like a nice everyday kind of look. So definitely recommend this so far. So I'm gonna deepen the corner up a little bit. I think I'm gonna go in with this colour here, which is this like burgundy kind of colour. It's pretty. And I'm gonna pop that on the outer corner. Wow, this palette's gorgeous. Wow, I really love this. The colours just blend in so nicely together. And then I'm going to take that same colour and pop it in the inner corner. I've really been into like a halo eye at the moment. Sorry, I'm keeping my voice down because Olivia is napping right now. And that is like the only time I get to film. So, the thing is, when it comes to the inner corner, it always goes a little bit choppy. It always goes a little bit messy, but it's okay because I can blend it out with a lighter colour afterwards. Okay, so let's move on to some of the shimmers, shall we? I'm pretty happy with the look that I've done so far. So I really love this kind of colour here. But I also I love them all, in fact. I love every single one, and I feel like I want to stick to more of like a darker look today because I usually do quite light looks. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go in with this coppery colour, which I said about that I liked at first. And I'm going to pop it in the centre. and just work its way up. See, when you use a brush, I just feel like you don't get much pigment. So I feel like I get more payoff when it comes to my finger. So, oh yes, definitely. So I'm just going to kind of pat that on. Wow. This is nice. So I'm going to take the same little brush and I'm going to pick that shimmery colour up and I'm going to pop it in a corner. Wow. You guys, this palette is adorable. This palette is perfect for travelling. It's really small and compact. It's got everything you need in there. So let's put some mascara on to finish off this look. I feel like I may have blended up a little bit too high this time, but it's okay. I still love the look. I do still love it. Final look. I love this palette. It's very creamy, it's very buttery, it blends very nice, the colour story is nice. You can create a natural look, the shimmers are gorgeous. There are so many good things about this palette. I definitely recommend it. I feel like I prefer this one than I did the rose cream one. So let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe if you are new, that would mean a lot to me. And also follow my Instagram because I do film makeup videos over there as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you are going to get your hands on this palette because it's very affordable. And I 100% recommend it if you are into makeup to have this in your collection. So I will see you again in another video. Bye guys.